It's a little heart palpitation.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, we would not make it.
Hey Outsiders, we're Brandy, Lionel, Ava, and Nova, and we're the Glam Fam. We started camping in 2017. And with a newer rig, we decided to showcase our adventures and show what people could do outside as a family. We love to glamp and live for adventure, whether we're trying new things or just facing new challenges. We always try to have fun, no matter where we go or where life takes us. But as anyone knows, sometimes things aren't always perfect or go according to plan. Here at the Glam Fam, we're going to show you the good, the bad, and the downright ugly along the way. So while we can't always prepare for the unexpected, here at the Glam Fam, we always try to find a way to smile and stay positive. And within that lies victory. You don't have to glamp as long as you camp. But most importantly, we do it as a family. Because
We're the Glam Fam and we outside! Woo!
So subscribe and watch along. Will you be an outsider with us?
Hello guys. So we are here in Jeffersonville, Ohio, and at Flying J's. Flying J's actually has a gas pump for RVs, which is really cool. You don't see this too often. So you have water. You also can dump. So if you're like at a Harvest Toast, you can go to your Harvest Toast and you can come over here and dump. So this is pretty cool. Good option. Whip it real good.
Your destination is on the left.
We made it, guys.
We made it to Hocking Hills. The hills of Hocking.
So I got a little warning that it would be a little sketchy coming up here through the hills. And it's a little heart palpitation.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't even know it.
Get a little nervous.
You got nervous?
And I had a lot of people waiting behind me.
Yeah.
Then you said someone almost rear-ended us.
Yeah, that did happen, yeah.
A little nervous.
Boating.
We made it.
We made it. We're here at Hocking Hills.
I had to really kind of push it.
I keep saying Hocking. It's Hocking.
Yeah,
Hocking Hills.
Not Hocking. Like
Hawk. Yeah. Hocking Hills.
Hocking.
Not Hawking. Hocking.
Yeah.
Hocking.
Like
Hocking.
hockey.
Yeah, there we go. Like hockey. Yeah, I got it.
Close call. Okay. Alright. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
Shibby-dibby-doo.
She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
Doop, doop.
Oh wait, should I put this in 4-wheel drive? She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Yeehaw! Oh, sorry.
Big old long.
I put my seatbelt on. Sorry, safety.
Oh, that's firewood.
I already got the safety stick.
Oh, see, mommy gonna be fired then.
Well, if we was in the Honda, ooh, we would not make it.
We got a real truck.
Yeah. Sorry, Honda.
Come on, heavy
y'all just
Chevy.
don't cut it.
These are, and people really, I hope people going the real speed limit, because these are some sharp turns in here.
Yeah.
I'm like over the lines for sure. Come on, team Titans and Titans and team Titans. Titans and Titans and team Titans. Alright, we're going to 30. Oh, I put the map down on fire. Okay. Sights. 193. Okay, they got swimming pool. Oh, it's packed up in here.
Show this. Jesus.
Lots of snacks. Let's roll. That's one.
You look like you hurt. What the heck is that?
And it got
Dang.
Dancing is another career off Nova's list.
Yeah. 'Cause,
This is Nova.
man, I'm thinking you having a fit or something. You having fits?
See, that's how you do it.
Okay.
That's stylish.
Okay. You got, okay. All right.
See, that's how you do it. You gotta do this.
Okay.
When you shake your hair, you're like this.
Yeah. Word.
Welcome to the Glam Fam.
Hey, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
I'm Brandy.
I'm Lionel.
I'm Nova.
Hi.
What's your name?
Ava.
Awkward.
Awkward.
And guess what, guys? We outside.
We outside.
We have made it to Hocking Hills. We will show you our site, but we wanted to go ahead and quick hop on this hiking trail. It's supposed to rain the next few days.
Yeah, we gotta hit it before it rains and get all wet and muddy and all that stuff. This is the perfect day to hike.
Yeah, so let's get into it.
All right, let's roll.
Let's roll.
Alright guys, we made it to Ash Cave. So it's supposed to be the easiest trail you can hike here at Hocking Hills. It is wheelchair accessible, so
Walk like this.
it's the best thing we can do for the kids. So let's see what we got.
Let's go. Ooh, snap.
Alright. So are we doing the handicap accessible, or are we hiking for
We
real?
hiking for real.
So
Yeah, that's like exit only. We gotta go this way,
Okay.
like Ava said.
Okay.
So you go up.
You don't know. Y'all don't know. Neither
No,
one of
it
y'all.
just said right here. Look.
that's what I
Arrows
just
going
said.
up. You come on down. Exit only.
Okay. Over there. Bathrooms.
No, but do you need to go to the bathroom?
I do.
I'm going to.
Okay. Restrooms. No go. Don't do it. If you don't have to.
Hello, big ladies.
What the heck is wrong with her?
Do I kill her now or later?
I don't know.
What you say?
Executioner.
Probably because I gave her that cookie.
Where'd you get the cookie from?
It's magic.
Mm-hmm.
You got cookies?
I had yeah too, but I had them early
When?
yesterday. Yesterday, not today.
Wait a
Yesterday.
minute.
Yeah. But I didn't eat it, so technically,
You didn't eat it?
no.
You ate one.
No.
So you mean tell me you stole
that-
cookies, but you didn't eat one?
I stole it, but I gave it to her. And technically,
You're
I didn't
right.
steal it because it's our cookie.
Did you buy them?
No.
And did you ask?
No.
Mm-hmm. I think that's a thief.
This is a non-vascular plant.
Non-vascular plant. What does that mean?
It means that it gets his like nutrients and fiber from other stuff,
This is from what?
other sources.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Like
but
what?
This is like
Like what?
pollinating.
What other sources?
Like trees and
It gets
Like
its
this one.
food from the tree, from the bark.
Yeah.
gets its nutrients from the tree.
Really?
Guess what? Guess what? When they grow,
This is cool. Oh snap!
pollinating.
I hear the waterfall.
The green pollinating is like pollen, like a bee. Pollinating, like a pollen. The best pollinators is a bee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A bee doesn't produce pollen. It eats pollen.
But they are the best. She said pollinators. Oh, she killed it.
Yeah.
She said pollinators. And you know why they're the best? They're the best pollinators? Because they spread pollen from flower to flower, from plant to plant.
Yeah, and then you
and that's how they fertilize each other. So she's right.
See?
She killed it. Wow. Dang. Whoa. Look at this. Wow.
Ohio state parks are so cool because they made this platform for people who have disabilities and are wheelchair bound so they can experience the park too. No excuses, guys. You got to get outside.
And we're outside. This is really cool. I like it. I'm telling you, the ruins. We're going to the ruins. I will be with you, Moses. To the end of time.
See, that's what you get.
Ooh, my legs are burning.
All of that, doing that, it makes me.
You feeling your legs, boo?
Yes.
It's in the quads, boo.
Woo.
Wait.
I
Hold
feel
up.
the quads. I feel it in my calves.
Oh.
Less talking, more.
Lost a little weight, guys.
More.
Why is it?
Less talking,
Yep.
more
Wrong attire for hiking.
walking.
What?
You ready? What?
I said more. Less talking,
More walking.
walking.
Let's go.
Okay, bossy.
Yes.
Bossy Lossy.
Whoa. Let's go.
She's like La Cienega.
Is a big sister.
That's a nice little drop.
Tuck and roll.
Tuck and roll. And you're going to keep rolling and rolling and rolling. Oh, more steps. At least we get to go down them.
Hold on, Nova.
Yeah, Nova, hold on. You're going too far.
Watch out for this little
I know it's slippery. That could be a little slippery. Let's see, mommy.
I'm holding on. Why are you trying to get me
I
falling?
ain't trying to get you falling, girl. I'm supposed to see how pro step. It's a pro step.
And one y'all needs to catch up.
But you about to fall right now.
Well, see, I'm not.
Look, Dad,
a
this
pro.
gonna be Daddy. Look. Oh.
Yeah, my balance ain't that great, so yeah.
It's a
Big mama, oh snap!
look, Mommy.
Had a heavy landing.
Being very careful.
I never been dead for 1,000 years.
For 1,000 years.
Because I never
Hear
died.
that? Told you she been here before.
If I could just
Nova been here before, hasn't she?
see. Oh, yeah. You've been on this planet.
Mhm.
What did she say?
She been here. This is her first time back in 1,000 years. You been here before, Nova?
Yes.
How long ago was you here? When was the last time you were here?
She in that reincarnation stuff.
You know what the best part about all that was?
What?
It was free.
Right.
No charge.
No charge.
I like that.
I'm tired.
I'm tired too. Boudini. Oh yeah? Yep.
Oh, because it's Easter.
Oh, dang. We gotta go to Kroger's too.
I'm not driving 30 minutes. We're going to check the camp store.
Okay.
I'm sure they have laundry detergent, right? That's what we need.
That's what we really need, yeah.
Yeah, then we can come back and get a lot of this
Other stuff, yeah, tomorrow. Yeah.
Ava, they're closed for Easter Sunday, honey.
Today's Easter. We forgot. Oh, Lord.
Come on, let's get out.
I'm a little worried.
What?
Because they're open on Sunday. What does that mean?
Turn my face. Okay, guys, we're what attempt is this? Number 3?
Yes.
We're on attempt number 3 to get some laundry detergent and groceries. So when you come to Hocking Hills, be prepared.
Well, you know, it is a holiday. So that's what it is. It's a holiday. Oh, they got ice cream.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right.
Everything in here, a little kind of choppy a little bit, but they have everything in here. Oh, you even got a room back here. Stuff. Okay. Little hardware section. I need rubber gloves. They don't have rubber gloves.
Grandma Fays is located right in Logan, Ohio, and it's about 5 to 10 minutes from the state park. It has a wide variety of things that you need for camping and general store items. The store also offers groceries and a deli. And of course, you saw us get the ice cream. They do also have a gift shop. So if you love collectibles, this could be your thing too. We probably should have been more prepared this camping trip, but hey, it's the Glam Fam way.
Next time on the Glam Fam.
We made it to the lodge.
I'm gonna start over.
Nope.